Hello guys, this is day Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is day 7 and well, I finished my work in my native place and I'm off to Kura right now.
For all the pain.
Total kilometers are 875ish. It's 2:51 p.m. and as I said, day 7. We'll be leaving for Mumbai tomorrow. I know I don't have a lot of scenes which are kind of fun, but I kind of wanted this ride to be a pure ride vlog, talking with you guys, enjoying the roads. Okay, I forgot one important thing. My bullet friend, he got his tire punctured in Kudal, and we did remove the puncture, but then you all know the tire has a setting, right, on which it sits. There are different numbers, and what happened is that the guy who fixed the tire did not set it to the original position again on which it was before. So he's saying that he's having problems while cornering on the roads, so he has to slow down every time a turn comes, and then it kind of makes us late each and every time. He can't even leave this much. He is so slow right now that I always I get ahead of him always. Like, he used to keep up with me on every turn, but now he's like kind of afraid of leaning the bike, because we all know Bullet is kind of heavy, 180 kgs I guess. Yeah, around 176 or 180 kgs, but even the guy who is riding it is around 110 kgs, but he has his cousin with him, so he's kind of afraid to lean the bike on every corner. He has to slow down a couple of kilometers per hour and then he has to take the turn. Okay, I'm on the right way. Yeah, I have to take a left. I have to take a left. Okay, yeah. My uncle told me that there will be a police check post, and from there I have to take a left. So that was the check post. I know I'm running low on fuel. I had to refuel, but due to some circumstances I couldn't, and I just hope. Okay, another important thing I wanted to talk with you guys is that, like, this is the 7th day of the ride, and like, I knew it inside that this ride is coming to an end tomorrow, so my mood was kind of a little bit off, and I didn't know like what to do to cheer it up. But as soon as I got on the bike, I wasn't even ready to ride. I just wanted to get some good sleep and then ride off to Mumbai. So what happened is, I started my bike. I was very sad when I was starting my bike, but as soon as I started riding it, like for the first 500 meters, I don't know why, but I started to feel enthusiastic so much that I was ready for the next 2 days. I was like, yeah, this is what I have to do, right? I was just excited all over again. It was like I'm starting my ride right now. That feeling is like getting on your bike, riding it once more and riding it for such a long time. Oh wow, that is such a beautiful feeling, guys. Sometimes I kind of feel at looking at my bike, like CBR 250R, I'm like, this bike is too old. Like, there were so many bikes which I could have bought at that time. Not so many. I had limited options, like the Mahindra Mojo and the Himalayan, which is recently known for a lot of problems. So my options were kind of limited, and Dominar was released this year in 2017, right? Like, I visited all the Bajaj showrooms, which are the factory showrooms, and they all told me that they will inform me as soon as the bike is about to be launched. So But still, I was kind of skeptical, going for the Dominar. I don't know what may happen because that was the first batch of bikes. I was a little bit confused, but so I read a lot. I read like a ton of pages. I know pages can't be measured in tons, but still I did maybe a minimum of like 2000 pages on forums. And okay, speed breaker. Minimum of 2000 pages on forums, and then I decided, yeah, even if CBR 250R is an old bike, it is the perfect bike for me. It is calm, it is aggressive when you want her to be. I'm sorry, she is aggressive when you want her to be. And yeah, I wanted to do rides, tours, and CBR 250R has the perfect sitting position for me at least, and it is known to be a sports tourer, so I get to ride it like the sports kind, and she has the ability to do tours. So I was like, yeah, she is the best thing for me, even if she is a little bit old, and I love her. I know it's a different kind of love. I kind of hate her. No, I can't say hate her, but you guys know she is an old bike. She was released in 2011, but still, she is the perfect for me. This is me. Even if she is old, I still love her. And anyway, my baby is newborn. She was born in 2016. I know that. Okay guys, that's it for now. I'll just keep on blabbering again and again. I'll turn the camera on whenever I come up with something good for you guys. Okay, hello guys. So this is the Royal Enfield showroom in Kudar, and we came over here because, as I said, his rear tire setting has been changed, and we want to ask here whether is there anyone who can fix it for, like, just like temporary, so that we can ride off to Mumbai. Let's see what happens. We are done with the work here, and the tire was a little bit loose. These guys helped us and fixed it, guys at Royal Enfield Kudar, and they didn't even charge us, totally free of cost. So now we are heading back to our home. Chal, thanks. Wow! My bike doesn't like gravel. Okay. Heading back to home right now. Check your mirrors. After that, as I said, we'll be going to Devbagh beach, and Reliance petrol pump, Reliance. Okay, I'll fuel up and then get back to you guys.